FP&A Careers, FP&A Analyst Salary and Growth Path, India and Global. This is a clear, practical guide to FP&A careers. Short, step-by-step, real numbers, skills, and promotion maps. Explained like a mentor. What FP&A does. FP&A stands for Financial Planning and Analysis. First, they build budgets and forecasts. These are the financial roadmaps. Second, they run variance analysis, comparing plan to actual. That finds gaps. Third, they support decision-making by turning numbers into recommendations. Finally, FP&A links strategy to financial outcomes, so leaders can act with confidence. Typical FP&A team structure. Typical ladder: analyst, senior analyst, manager. Above that, lead or FP&A head, then director or VP of finance. Controller is different. They focus on accounting accuracy and compliance. FP&A focuses on forward-looking analysis and business partnering. Global Capability Center, GCC, roles often centralize FP&A work for many countries. GCC jobs can be more process-driven and sometimes offer faster exposure to varied business units. Entry requirements. Common degrees: BCom, MBA, CA, and CMA. Employers value demonstrated financial thinking more than a specific degree. You must know Excel and basic financial modeling. Start with pivot tables and formulas. Critical: clear business communication. Explain numbers without hiding complexity. Core daily tasks: monthly closing support, reconcile and explain variances, forecast updates, refresh assumptions and rerun scenarios, dashboard and KPI reporting, make numbers visible and easy to act on. You'll also respond to ad hoc questions from product, sales, and operations teams. Key skills for analysts. Excel mastery is table stakes. Know formulas and pivot tables. Power BI or Tableau for dashboards, so you can visualize trends fast. Driver-based forecasting. Model revenue by the inputs that actually move it. Storytelling with numbers. Every chart needs a one-sentence insight. Tiny example: revenue fell 5% due to a 10% drop in visits. Say that. Analyst Salary, India. Entry-level FP&A typically sits around 6 lakh to 10 lakh per annum. Senior analyst roles commonly range from 10 lakh to 18 lakh per annum. Data from industry salary sites shows a wide range, influenced by city and company. Glassdoor, 1. Analyst Salary. U.S. entry-level FP&A in the United States often ranges from $65,000 to $85,000. Senior analysts are commonly in the $85,000 to $110,000 band. Location matters. High-cost cities pay about 10 to 20% more. Indeed.2. Analyst Salary, Europe. In the United Kingdom, FP&A analysts commonly earn around £40,000 to £60,000. Across EU countries, typical ranges can be €45,000 to €70,000, depending on market and industry. Recruiters' salary guides and market sources confirm these regional ranges. Morgan McKinley, 3. Salary boost factors. Industry matters. Tech and pharma usually pay a premium. Company size: multinational corporations pay more than smaller mid-cap firms. Skills: advanced modeling, SQL, or tool mastery raises bargaining power. Certifications and proven impact on business decisions also increase offers. Promotion path, India. Common timing: analyst for 1 to 2 years. Then senior analyst for 2 to 3 years. Manager level in about 3 to 4 years after joining. Lead or controller roles often follow after 5 to 8 years. These are typical ranges. Individual pace depends on performance and company structure. Promotion path? Global. Global ladder mirrors India. Analyst, senior, manager. Then FP&A lead, director, vice president of finance. Reaching senior leadership often takes 8 to 12 years of continuous growth. Broader exposure, global projects, and strategic work shortens the timeline. Manager-level expectations. Managers own the full budget and forecast cycles. They lead small teams and mentor analysts. They must align cross-functional stakeholders, finance, ops, and product. They turn analysis into decisions and ensure follow-through. Director and VP track. At director level, expect strategic modeling and multi-year planning. VP Finance partners with the CEO on capital and corporate strategy. These roles focus on long-term value creation, not just monthly cycles. High-growth industries, SaaS, software as a service, fintech, pharma, and e-commerce are fast movers. They usually deliver quicker promotions and larger bonus pools. If you want speed, target these sectors early. Certifications that help CFA Level 1. Good for strong investment and valuation grounding. CIMA CGMA. Solid for management accounting and business partnering. FMVA. Financial Modeling and Valuation Analyst. Useful for modeling credibility. Certs help, but practical modeling track record matters more. Tools that accelerate career. Power BI and Tableau for dashboards and storytelling. Anaplan and similar planning tools for enterprise-level forecasting. SQL helps you pull and shape data directly. Python automates repetitive tasks and scales forecasting work. Global mobility options. Internal transfers are the most common path to relocate. GCC to HQ rotations give exposure to headquarters strategy and stakeholders. Work visas are often easier for scarce technical finance skills. Be proactive. Document impact and request rotational opportunities. Typical bonus structures. Analyst bonuses commonly fall between 8% and 15% of base pay. Managers often receive 15% to 25% bonuses. Directors may see 25% to 40% bonus opportunities. Actual payouts vary by company performance and individual targets. Reddit. 4. Long-term career outcomes. Many FP&A paths lead to the CFO track. Other exits, strategy, corporate development, or finance business partner roles. FP&A builds the cross-functional hue that makes those moves natural. Closing. Focus on 3 things: modeling strength, tool mastery, and storytelling. Seek global exposure and cross-functional projects early. Track concrete impact. Say, I saved X rupees or raised revenue by Y%. Those outcomes win promotions and better offers. Recap. Quick and practical. Build deep Excel and modeling skills. Then add Power BI and SQL. Target high-growth industries for faster raises and global roles. Measure and communicate real impact. And the career escalator follows.